welcome to Money Pit Boating. It's monsoon season, apparently. My goodness, it is coming down. That's lightning. I shouldn't be near this. I haven't seen it rage like that before. We just installed a new feature on a boat I wanted to share with you guys. A mini pool. This is not what you want on your deck. Whew. All right, we're in the eye of the hurricane now. That was an intense storm. Seems like most of it's past. I think I'm gonna ghost aboard. Now that it seems like most of the precipitation is paused, I'm gonna get a quick look at the radar, see what the rest of the day is looking like, but I think it's a prime time to go explore and see what that storm has done. Apparently we actually were in the eye of the hurricane, and now we've hit the other eye wall. Really coming down again. You can hardly see 100 yards upstream. Yeah, some debris is starting to come through. It is ripping and tearing. Holy smokes, look at the size of this thing. There's a whole damn tree coming. Race for impact, it's coming our way. Look at the size of this thing. Holding my lightning rod in the middle of the storm. It's coming right for us. Mark, look at your phone. I might need help. Mark! I think it's rotating away.
That's probably that tree that I freed up the other night.
It just started veering this way, but it was like coming right at us.
I just heard you screaming. You've never done that before. I was like, this is dangerous.
Dangerous. All right, it steered clear of us.
I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up, but all of a sudden clouds just started rolling right out of those trees and going across right over there. Crazy weather we got around here.
Hopefully by tomorrow the current will go down enough so that it'll be safe enough to make the trip, because if this looks like this, who knows what that looks like upstream. Speed demo. See ya. Another day has passed and the river has gone down a good 3 to 4 feet. You can see the water line with the muck on the greenery, how much it's gone down. So things are looking good. Mark's busy. Him and a bunch of girls are out on the boat. Didn't invite me for some reason. The current is still going a little bit too strong to risk going out there, but also I got a couple issues here at the dock. One issue here at the dock. All the tension is on this one line. Slack here, slack over there, because this side of the deck is resting on the rocks. So I gotta push this off of the rocks, and I'm wearing, hey dude, my slippers. There we go, come on baby. There we go. There we go. She's floating again. Something's not right still. There's no slack on this line yet. There's no tension on this line yet. I gotta go that way. Right? Something ain't right. Whoa. How is there no slack here and all the slack in the world there? Tension, not slack. Gotta go like that a little bit, but this, a lot of it. Hope you're having fun with all them girls, Mark. I had tension on 3 lines, but current's just going too strong.
That was actually really good.
This deck is usually lower, but the rivers came up. Mark, how high did the river come up?
I want to say it's up 9 feet. I wouldn't have said that right there.
Mark is currently trying to tug us a little bit closer to shore. Wrap that around that big stump that's hiding under that vine.
Mission complete. Yeah, this is the highest it's been since I've lived here. Oh, I'm an idiot and I should have grabbed my shoes, but that leaf actually makes it hurt less. Ow, 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 ow. Did you check the graph?
So right now it is raging and still going up. But normally it's at about 6 feet, and right now it's at 14.
I was looking at the wrong monitoring station. It's actually, I think, 16 feet deep right now.
Oh, so it's gone 10 feet. Dude, all kidding aside, we have a mission. We have to go save the launch ramp at my brother's house. It's not tied to shore. I can't even see the ramp over there, can you? I hope it's still there. We gotta go save the ramp. Let's do it. Ow, 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 ow. Ugh. Oh my God, dude, look at the circle. There was water. Oh my God.
I didn't know you could go in there.
Dude, there was so much rain. How can the water lift solid metal? Dude, the line is all the way over here on my neighbor's yard. Oh my God, dude, they got a ladder.
Yeah.
Do we go down there?
Oh, come on.
This is a Ninja Turtle pathway. This is the craziest thing I've seen in my life. Dude, this is the highest I've seen it. Oh my God. Oh God.
Out of my yard.
You don't live here. This is crazy. That thing just floated up and out of its like little mooring. Oh man, I don't want to go over there to get it. Oh no. Dude, it's moving back and forth. Oh, Jesus. I did not think I would be swimming in the Clinton River this morning. Oh man, that's a riverbank right there.
Oh yeah, it dropped off, dude.
Yeah. Oh dude, this thing's just completely floating. Okay, I got it with my foot. We gotta get this thing up and out of here. Apparently I gathered a crowd. I didn't want to get my new Money Pit Boating shirt wet, so I got it up over my belly. If you like this, peekaboo, ding. I gotta tuck this up over here, beach it. Oh my God. Dude, I went down there and then it immediately dropped down. If I would have just walked out of there like a moron, I would totally would have gone. Oh, speaking of which, oh, what is this? Oh, that's a gopher hole. He's probably confused. I wish we had cleats on here that we could tie off and then just throw an anchor.
There's one on the end there, I think.
Oh yeah.
New plan. You get on it and I'll push you out and try to catch you on the boat.
Try and rotate it around. What's this? What's the dance that the kids are doing?
Sloth. A decade ago.
Now it's the... What happened to the other barrel?
There are no barrels on that
There are
side.
no barrels, okay, okay. Something's got me.
Yes. There we go.
Dude, this is probably why I wasn't floating away. I want to try and get it as high as I can. I think the
Rope is caught.
now cinder blocks right there. There we go.
Now we hope the river goes down and not up.
Well, if anything, it's out of the big pull current. It's tied to something over there. Well,
That should be safe.
let's hope.
Things are almost back to normal. River is nice and low again. Current's gone down too. So as soon as Mark's done pooping, we're gonna go out and explore. Hopefully these storms ripped open some of the log jams so we can get to some brand new areas. Hopefully we get to the Ninja Turtle house today. Mark's been shitting for 25 minutes. He finally finished pooping, we're out. And there's Matt's house, the aftermath.
I think how high that water was.
Right. Well, this received some storm damage. You can see the ramp is all out of whack now. And also all the steel wire going back and forth on those poles were ripped down. That tree got on top of it, and when the water went down, its weight brought it down too. So that got shredded and this got shredded. Oh, they had the pathway all dug out for the cement to be laid, and that's all flooded now. Yeah, this got demolished.
Just like we thought it was.
Just like we predicted. Here comes the debris. That's a whole beaver dam got broke free. Oh man, we got all kinds of lemon butts up here. It's 10 degrees warmer up here, thanks to my buddy's son. Looks like the entirety of Dobby Island is submerged. Look at the line where the debris comes from that side and it hits this side's current. This was all a huge dam last time we came through. Run back that footage. Thank you. It looks like the middle just got blown out. Take a look at Skeeter Dam. It looks like a lot of this debris has been ripped free and moved about. Not enough to make a clear path for us. After the current goes down, it wouldn't be a problem to clear this out.
What about up here? Nope.
Oh, it looks way worse. Here we are at about the biggest log jam I've ever seen. This sucks. It looks like something Wood Magneto piled up to stop the X-Men.
Woodnito? Dude, it's like multiple layers deep.
Right. If we bust all this free, then that means we can fight that log jam, and then that log jam, and then that log jam, and then that log jam.
There's like 3 or 4 different levels.
And there's not enough room to skate through on the left, even if we chopped it back.
Looks like Ninja Turtle house is
Yeah, that's a big time no-go.
not gonna be accessible for a while.
Did we just had like the biggest storm in like 3 years, and that didn't clear this?
No, it made it worse.
Right. Boo. Okay, I thought I was filming something sketchy, but...
No, it is. I gotta get through on the right side, but I have to give it gas because I can't control it if I just coast. Hang on. Oh, this is gonna be bad.
We made it.
I didn't hear anything ripping off the boat.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything shatter up there.
Chasing one down.
Hot on the trail.
He's a slippery bugger. Perfect.
Hell yeah.
If you like this, make sure you click right over there. Check out more of our adventures. Check out our boat right there. Thanks for watching, and we will see you later. That's a wrap.